Hey guys, I'm gonna do a quick video here of my maintenance procedure in between races. This is just a slip-on car Aurora chassis that we run in E-Core. I don't even know last time I ran this, but we'll just go through my steps. So I'm gonna pop off the clamp and pull the top plate off. You can see the arm there has some brush residue on it. I like this Barty tool. Clean up the comm here. Just turn it around like that a couple times. Just to get that residue off, polish it up a little bit. Looks pretty good. This arm's not the best arm, but this gives you an idea of what I do for maintenance. Then I get these Q-tips from Amazon. They have a wide end and a pointed end. I'll take the pointed end and just run it through each of these slots to clean out the brush dust or any dirt that might be in there. Set that aside. I'm gonna pull these brushes out one at a time. And don't shoot me RC, but these things work great for this. Take the surface that rides on the armature, put that down. It's flipping. This does awesome for cleaning the gunk off. Even if you got any oil or anything like that, just a little bit, it'll take that off. You can see it's pretty clean now. So go ahead, slide that back in. Do the same with the other one. While I have this apart, I'll also check, make sure there's no residual oil or dirt down in the tub. I'll take the other end of the Q-tip and clean that out. That one's pretty good. It doesn't really take much if you're not abusing the oil, or if you do this pretty frequently. This is just a quick couple minute treatment. There's a little bit of oil in here. I'm gonna clean that out. And we can put the top plate back on. It's tricky working around the camera. Well, I'll just leave them out for now, just to get this point across. Okay. I always put a mark when I'm building a chassis. There'll be a mark to show front and back on this clamp. Alright, so there's no brushes in here. Next, we're gonna take the shoes off one at a time. And what I'm gonna do is flat sand the shoes. This is a knife sharpener. There's a couple different grits. This one's the green one, extra fine. I usually carry the fine in my box, but for my build area here, I use this extra fine. Sorry about the dogs. You just pull that out. I like to run in a circular motion. Try to get the little groove out of there. There we go. Like I said, this, if you do this pretty frequently, it's not going to take much. Each time you do it, it'll go pretty quick. I'm sure other racers have their ways of doing things, but if you're getting started just now, this will give you a good head start. Alright, so then I'm going to go through and lube everything. Shoes are all good. Put them on the same side they were on. That's why I just do one at a time. So we're going to hit the chassis with some oil. Go right here, the lower armhole. On each side of the crown gear here, I'll put a teeny bit out here and right here. And then I like to put my oil, try to feed it under the gear here and here. And normal maintenance, that's about it. After I put the dab here, I'm going to stick it on my power supply and spin it up real quick, and then I'll take the Q-tip and wipe the excess off, because you don't want the oil wicking up into the brushes. That'll give you a little bit of a headache down the road. So that's just a quick walkthrough of what I do between races as far as maintenance goes. Let me know if you have any questions.